Hello, my name's Caroline and I'm the reservations manager for Olympic Holidays.
Hi, I'm Michelle. I'm a reservations consultant at Olympic Holidays.
My name is Rachel and I'm Project Development Executive and currently working within the weddings team.
I'm Reva Kingston and I'm the Operations Director at Olympic Holidays.
So the biggest benefit I got from the workshop was that selling is not genetic. There is steps you can follow, and if you learn those steps and use them, you can become a great seller.
Well, I really enjoyed this workshop because it was very light-hearted but educational at the same time. It helped me look at the way that I sell and think of ways that I can improve it, and has actually given me tools in order to improve my techniques that I use, and it's given me a lot more confidence to be able to deliver certain sentences with confidence and with certainty.
I think the main benefits for me working before in sales and doing this kind of thing was seeing techniques and new skills from someone completely different to, I've always sort of done it mainly around travel and recruitment, so it was really beneficial to see it from someone who had not the travel background but new skills and different techniques to what I'm used to, which is really useful for, it's like a refresher as well, so learning loads of like different ways and how someone else does it as well.
Gathering everybody together in the same room is a big benefit for us. Lots of homeworkers after COVID, before even starting with the training. Then sales training, which we haven't had for a long time, coming up with new ideas, ways of improving our sales, things we haven't thought about. It benefited us from Shlomi not knowing the industry, but coming with the techniques and tactics from a sales point of view, hopefully to increase our sales.
For sure, I will apply the curiosity step more. I feel like you can always engage more with the customer, you can always learn more from them, and that will open the door to more sales.
I will definitely use the rapport building part of the exercise about how to find out what the customer actually wants. Sometimes customers don't actually know what they want and you've got to coax it out of them, and we've been given lots of different tools in order to enable us to be able to find out what it is that they really want.
I think for sure it will be sort of the approach and the new skills, like making sure that the team are applying things like some of the techniques that you've shown, building confidence, and just some of the things that might seem quite basic to some people, like the features and benefits, are not to people who've never been in sales before. So 100% making sure that these things are implemented and used in everyone's daily routine now for sales.
I think the opening statement, the greeting of the clients, everybody in our team was doing something different without the statistics and the benefits of what is right. Thinking about every step and trying to connect with the client, understanding what the client wants, what the client needs, and the reason for the client to actually call us in the first place.
I would highly recommend Shlomi's workshop to other sales personnel. Shlomi gives a very top level explanation of everything. So you get the overall picture, which we can then take those tools that we've learned away and adapt them to our industry specifically.
I think Shlomi's got a breadth of experience across lots of different businesses, lots of different types of businesses. He's able to deal with people at all levels, and he uses the same basic principles, but he can apply them in different scenarios.
Yeah, 100%. I think, again, especially if you've never had this before, it's something that's so beneficial in doing a sales job. It's not just about knowing what you're selling. It literally is about how you handle yourself and your confidence and how you actually like give the information out as well. So seeing how he step by step and broke it down, literally, especially to people that have never done sales before, is massively beneficial to be able to sort of sell yourself and the product as well.
I'll definitely recommend Shlomi to other people. I think Shlomi has experience from the beginning, the sales background. He started from a salesman and progressed. He does a lot of research, comes up with lots of ideas and tries to implement it and help businesses grow their sales tactics.